In this video on computer network subject, we are going to see a practice question on subnetting topic, right? So let's start. The question is, what is the maximum number of hosts per subnet? Now they have given us the subnet mask. What is a subnet mask? It is the number of ones in the network part, right? It is the number of ones in the network part when we represent it in binary, right? So we have 255. This can be written as a sequence of 8 ones, right? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So if you convert this binary number into decimal, then you will get what? 255, right? So these are your 8 ones, 8 number of ones. Now similarly, here we have 8 ones, here we have 8 ones, and for 240 we have to do the conversion into binary, right? So 240, if you want to convert it into binary, then 240 can be converted as 8 bits in this octet. In this octet we have 8 bits, 0 to 7. Now if you do 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 7, from 0 to 7, right? So this one is 128, this one is 64, this one is 32, this one is 16, this one is 8, this one is 4, this one is 2, and this one is 1. Now how can I make 240 out of these combinations? First you add these two. When these two are added, you will get 192. When 32 is added with 192, you will get 224. When you add 16 with 224, you will get 240, right? So how many bits did it require to get to 240? This one, this one, this one, and this one. So 4 bits are required to reach 240. How can we solve it? By making the bits 4 bits as 1 and the remaining 4 bits as 0 in the 8 bits, right? In the octet we have 4 bits as 1 and 4 bits as 0, right? So I have just represented this 240 into binary form here. This is the binary form of this 240, right? So now we know that an IP address consists of 32 bits in total, and we have just seen that in this case we have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4, that is equal to 16 plus 4, that is 20 bits. And this is the network part, right? This subnet mask tells us the number of ones in the network part. So to find the host part, what we will do is we will subtract the 32 minus 20, so we will get 12. So number of host is equal to 2 to the power host ID minus 2 equal to 2 to the power 12. 12, why 12? Because we have arrived at the host bits is 12, right? So 2 to the power 12 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 10 is 1024, and multiplied by 4, that is 2 to the power 2, 4 into 1024 minus 2 equal to, this will come out as 4096 minus 2 equal to 4094. So this is your answer, right? Second option. option number 2. Why we have subtracted these two addresses is because we have subtracted the direct broadcast address and the network address, right? So this one is your last address in the network and this is your first address in the network, right? So we have subtracted because the usable addresses are only these. Usable addresses are only 4094. So thank you for watching this video. If you found the content useful, then don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe my channel for further continuation of these videos. Thank you.